Have you ever wondered what could be the most nutrient-packed food on the planet? It is a tiny organism with a massive impact. Spirulina, packed with protein, vitamins and antioxidants, this green superfood has been fueling ancient civilizations and modern health enthusiasts alike. But what exactly is spirulina? How does it transform your energy, boost immunity, and maybe even save the planet? Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could change the way you fuel your body forever. Let's start. Spirulina has a long and fascinating history. Evidence suggests that it was consumed by the Aztecs in ancient Mexico. They harvested it from Lake Texcoco and used it as a food source. Similarly, indigenous people near Lake Chad in Africa have incorporated spirulina into their diet for centuries. In the 1960s, spirulina gained renewed attention when scientists discovered its impressive nutritional value. Since then, numerous studies have been conducted to investigate its potential health benefits. Today, spirulina is recognized as a valuable dietary supplement and is consumed by millions worldwide. Let's talk benefits. Why is spirulina crowned the king of superfoods? Did you know that spirulina is a complete protein? This means it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's rich in vitamins, especially B vitamins. It also boasts minerals like iron and magnesium. Here's what this little green powerhouse can do for you. Feeling sluggish? Spirulina is rich in protein, B vitamins and iron, giving your body the fuel it needs to keep going strong. No more midday crashes. Just 1 tablespoon of spirulina contains over 60% protein by weight, along with vital nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and powerful antioxidants like phycocyanin. That's a nutritional punch in every spoonful. Your immune system loves spirulina. Studies show it can enhance your body's ability to fight off infections and reduce inflammation. Feeling weighed down? Spirulina can bind to heavy metals and toxins in your body, helping to cleanse and refresh from the inside out. And here's the big one. Spirulina is one of the most sustainable food sources on Earth. It requires minimal resources to grow, making it a superfood for both you and the planet. As you can see, from energy and immunity to sustainability, spirulina is more than just a supplement. It's a game changer. And the best part? It's easy to add to your daily routine. Let's incorporating spirulina into your diet. Spirulina is available in powder and tablet form, making it easy to add to your daily habits. You'll want to start with a small amount of spirulina and, gradually increase your intake. Begin with about half a teaspoon per day and see how your body responds. Over time, you can work your way up to 1 or 2 teaspoons daily. Spirulina is a versatile superfood that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. From savory to sweet, the possibilities are endless. You can mix it with yogurt or oatmeal, which are both great options for breakfast or a snack. The creamy texture of yogurt and the hearty nature of oatmeal complement the slightly earthy taste of spirulina. Add it to salad dressings for a nutritional boost. Just a small amount can enhance the nutritional profile of your meals, providing you with essential nutrients. Sprinkle it on popcorn for a healthy snack. Imagine a movie night with a twist. Popcorn dusted with spirulina. Another popular way to incorporate spirulina is by adding it to smoothies. Blend it with fruits like bananas, berries and spinach for a delicious and nutrient-packed drink. The natural sweetness of the fruits helps balance the flavor of spirulina. You can also make spirulina energy bars at home. Combine it with nuts, seeds and dried fruits for a convenient and healthy snack that's perfect for on the go. For those who enjoy savory dishes, spirulina can be added to soups and stews. It dissolves easily and adds a nutritional punch without altering the taste too much. It's a versatile superfood that can easily fit into various meals and snacks. There are countless recipes and resources available to help you get creative with spirulina, so you can easily make it a staple in your diet. While spirulina is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea, especially when first starting spirulina. It's crucial to choose spirulina from reputable sources to minimize the risk of contamination. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and individuals with autoimmune disorders should consult their healthcare provider before taking spirulina. When shopping for spirulina, look for high-quality organic products to ensure you're getting the best possible benefits. Check the labels and opt for reputable brands. Look for spirulina that has been tested for purity and contaminants. Organically grown spirulina is preferable, as it is free from pesticides and herbicides. Please check the description below the video for some of our recommendations. Consider factors such as the spirulina's origin, processing methods, and third-party certifications. Reading reviews and comparing products can help you make an informed decision. Shall we address some of the most common inquiries about spirulina? Can spirulina help with weight loss? This is a common question, especially among those looking to shed a few pounds. While not a magic weight loss solution, spirulina's protein content and potential to reduce appetite may support weight management efforts. Its high nutrient density can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Are there any drug interactions with spirulina? This is a crucial question for anyone who is currently taking medication and considering adding spirulina to their regimen. Spirulina may interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and immunosuppressants. It's important to be aware of these potential interactions to avoid any adverse effects. Consult your doctor before taking spirulina if you are on any medications. Your healthcare provider can give you personalized advice based on your specific health needs and current medication regimen. Always prioritize safety and professional guidance when introducing new supplements into your diet. In a world seeking natural ways to enhance well-being, spirulina emerges as a true superfood. Its impressive nutritional profile, health benefits, and ease of incorporation make it a valuable addition to any diet. Whether you're looking to boost your nutrient intake, support your immune system, or simply enhance your overall health, spirulina is a natural powerhouse worth exploring. Embrace the power of this tiny algae and embark on a journey towards a healthier and more vibrant you. Many thanks for the like and subscribe to this channel.